another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Welcome to Crayons and Crayons! This week we learned more about tigers.
It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill. On a serious note, this was a very special week for us, as tigers are not native to South Africa, and this was our first encounter with real tigers.
Come and enjoy the experience with us.
Welcome to our science lab. This week during the close encounter segment, one of the boys mentioned that the tiger in the grass looks like lava. So for our science experiment, we will be making our very own lava lamps. To join along at home and make this exciting experiment, you will need vinegar, some food coloring, oil, some lights for special effect, bicarbonate of soda, and the syringes that the boys are already sitting with. So let's get started. Start off by adding a tablespoon or so of baking soda to a glass. You may also use multiple glasses if you want to try different colored lava lamps. This experiment is not dependent on exact measurements and is perfect for making with children. Next, add some cooking oil to the glasses on top of the baking soda. By pouring the cooking oil on top of a spoon, it just gives it a soft landing and thereby doesn't disturb the baking soda too much. The next step is to add some food coloring to a glass or a mixing bowl. Leon preferred the red food coloring, while Pia was very excited about the blue food coloring. Then add some vinegar to the food coloring. It is in actual fact the vinegar that reacts to the baking soda, but the food coloring is what gives it that nice colourful effect. At this point, we took two of our camping lights and put each of the glasses on a light to create the effect of a lava lamp. This is not really required if you don't have a light, but it really creates a special effect. The boys then used the syringes to let small droplets of the vinegar and food coloring drop into the oil. We could immediately see the reaction forming and the little droplets of lava go up and down. Overwhelmed with excitement, Dad decided to add some additional vinegar straight from the glass in order to supercharge this experiment. Yo, boys, how cool is this? Can you see the vinegar with the food coloring drops down because it's heavy? Then it reacts with the bicarbonate of soda at the bottom and it causes some gases. So it floats up to the top. When it gets to the top, the gases leave the bubble, it becomes heavy again and goes down to the bottom. That's pretty cool. Do you like the lava lamps, boys?
I love it. Let's put the finger in. Wow.
The greatness of a nation can be measured by how its animals are treated. This week we visited the incredible Panthera Africa to learn about tigers and what a true sanctuary is.
Welcome to Panthera. Wow. Yeah.
Panthera Africa is an environmentally friendly sanctuary for any captive bred big cats, where they will be protected and prosper for the rest of their lives. This 40-hectare paradise with large enclosures full of trees, a natural spring and mountain views is situated just outside Stanford in South Africa. Founded by two ladies, Lizanne and Catherine, the name was inspired by the passion they have for the four main Pantheras, being the lion, leopard, jaguar and the tiger. One of Panthera's main purposes is to be an educational platform where they create awareness about the terrible conditions big cats face in captivity, and how animal welfare and enrichment play a vital role in giving them the best captive life possible. They are one of few true sanctuaries. Stay tuned to find out what a true sanctuary is as we meet the majestic Bengal male tiger, Rays. He was rescued from the illegal tiger bone trade.
We were overwhelmed by how beautiful and big the tigers were. Hello, Mr. Tiger. We were so lucky to meet Alabella. This is Ray's friend and like a sister to him.
Hi! Hi! Are you telling us a story?
Panthera also have many other beautiful animals they care for. We went to meet the lions, but the guide said we will soon come back to the tigers. Then we experienced the powerful call of the Jungle King, and his queens soon joined in.
Oh, is it? That's the king.
Seeing the majestic Lion King was a sight to behold. My name is Pierre. I love to play in the sun.
After a century of decline, overall wild tiger numbers are starting to tick upward. However, only an estimated 3,900 tigers remain in the wild, and much more work is needed to protect this species if we are to secure its future in the wild. In some areas, including much of Southeast Asia, tigers are still in crisis and declining in numbers. As tigers love to swim, Rays actually has his own pool, but he loves to slip into his feeding enclosure and try and fit into his drinking bowl instead. Tigers have unfortunately lost an estimated 95% of their historical natural habitat to human activities. Tiger farms and captive tigers are also a big problem, and true sanctuaries such as Panthera help to ensure that these animals are not exploited by or contributing to the illegal trade in tigers and their parts. Panthera is a true sanctuary, meaning no hands-on interaction with the animals, no breeding of the animals, no trading of the animals. They are a blueprint of how a non-profit sanctuary focusing on animal welfare can become self-sufficient, and they aim to change breeding facilities into sustainable projects.
So that a tiger chef is a noise they make if they're in the wild and they're walking through another tiger's territory. And it's a way for them to say, I'm just passing through.
Okay.
I don't want to fight.
Yes.
I'm friendly. Right. There we go. It's also a way for him to say, I'm okay with you guys. I don't want to fight you.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
On our way out, we tried to jump as high as a calico cat. We should have respect for animals, because it makes better human beings of us all.
Pablo Picasso said that every child is an artist. The problem is staying an artist when you grow up. We are using arts and crafts to teach our boys about each episode's animals, and it's definitely helped to bring out the inner child in this mom. Hope you enjoy this week's Crafty Corner with us. Leon, what is this?
A tiger.
A tiger. Today the two of us will be making tiger bookmarks.
Follow these easy steps to make your own bookmark. Did you know that tigers can run very fast? Tigers have been around for 2 million years. The dancing tiger is not real, but he has some real good moves. I love doing this craft with my mom.
Good job, Leon! Let's show the explorers how these bookmarks work. There you go. Well done. Good. Today we'll do our fun facts in under 60 seconds. Try to remember as many of them as you can and check your answers at the end of the minute. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world and they can live for about 25 years. Adult tigers generally live alone. Unlike most other cats, tigers are great swimmers and actually like the water. Tigers are ambush hunters, preferring to sneak up on their prey before exploding into action. Tigers are the only cat species that are completely striped. They even have stripes on their skin. A group of tigers is called an ambush or a streak. Tigers can imitate the call of other animals and a tiger's roar can be heard over long distances. No two tigers have the same stripes. And rumor has it that tiger urine smells like buttered popcorn. So how many of these facts can you recall? Hit the pause button before checking your answers.
Hope you enjoyed this episode. Visit our channel for some of our other videos. Be sure to hit the subscribe button now. We got great adventures coming.